In this video, we'll go over braintrust. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year. With a massive rise in crypto popularity, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Before we begin, we are having a 700 XRP coin giveaway. To enter, all you need to do is give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, braintrust to the moon. And we'll announce the winner on September the 31st. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. There have also been cases of people buying a monkey JPEG for only $300 and flipping it on the market for over $400,000 just 6 months later. So how can one be sure of an insane return from an investment? By simply looking at a coin's fundamentals, it can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is braintrust? Braintrust is the first decentralized talent network that connects skilled, vetted knowledge workers with the world's leading companies. The community that relies on braintrust to find work are the same people who own and build it, ensuring the network always serves the needs of its users, instead of a centrally controlled corporation. And because the community of knowledge workers and contributors earns ownership and control of braintrust through its native btrst token for its contributions to the network and its growth, new talent and jobs have participated in the network at record speeds. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. On the braintrust talent network, clients place their tasks by posting jobs to the network, specifying parameters such as skill set, geography, and rates. They are matched accordingly with talent, who respond with bids by submitting job proposals. The core innovations of the braintrust network are programmatically rewarding network participants based on their contributions to building the network in its native token and developing a protocol to replace expensive and ineffective centralized middlemen. In achieving these two goals, the network can dramatically reduce the capital required to build the network, cutting fees for talent to zero, and cutting costs for clients by up to 70% in some cases. Braintrust is a live, self-governing decentralized network with tens of thousands of talent participants and hundreds of Fortune 1000 enterprises processing millions of dollars in transactions each month at the time of this writing. All of the development and maintenance of the network has been done by a global network of contributors on the braintrust network. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting $14 by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.